Lastly, you're going to assemble pre-existing documentation. When I work with clients on this step, sometimes there's a feeling or a need to document as-is processes before we can begin. I wouldn't recommend that. Instead, what I would say is just assemble what you've already got, but don't belabor the process by documenting your business processes or having your subject matter experts take time to write work instructions for tasks that will likely change in the future. Just take time to take stock of what you've got. That might be internal controls documents. It might be instruction manuals that you provided to new hires. It might be training guides that you leverage internally. Just gather that information up and have that at the ready, as that will aid in the future steps in the process.